guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans, and welcome back to my channel for a sit-down video. I thought it was now time to kind of just sit down in front of the camera and talk to you guys and just say thank you, because this video is my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm just like really happy that I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. It took me a long time, but I'm like extremely excited and very grateful for everyone that has subscribed to me and that has been here since the beginning. But yeah, I kind of wanted to do like a sit down video just so you guys can see me face to face, because I don't think I've ever shown my face like on camera. You guys only ever see my hands. So I thought it was kind of appropriate to do this for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. But yeah, so a little bit about myself, because I don't think I've ever really like introduced myself either. I'm not gonna go too much into it. I don't really think there's a whole lot to say, but if you don't know, I've actually had this channel since July 2009, I think. I can't remember. I think it's 2009 is when I made this channel. And it was, of course, it was not planner stuff, because I don't think the planner community was around back then. It was mainly kind of like hauls and vlogs, and I think that's, oh, and like beauty stuff. So it was mainly like a beauty channel and vlogs. And I was partnered with YouTube when they first like were doing like the partner program. And obviously I got it taken away because I didn't post for like many years and years until recently when I started posting in 2018. So yeah, that's just kind of a little bit about my channel. I don't really know what else to say about me. I do talk about it a lot in my Plan With Me's, but I'm currently living in Arizona right now. This is obviously completely new to me. I came from California. I guess I can say like where I live, because I don't live there anymore and I don't plan on ever going back. I've talked to a couple planner people like where I used to live, because I kind of live nearby. But I lived in Northern California, in Rockland, California, if you guys know where that is. It's a super small town, but that's where I am from. And then, yeah, what else about me? I have my bachelor's degree. I feel like this is like a dating, like how you're just like spilling everything out. Yeah, if you were following me on my channel when I was going to college, I went to Sacramento State to graduate with a bachelor's in child development. But that's kind of like a little bit about me. I don't really have much else. I love running. I talk about that a lot in my Plan With Me's, but if you guys have any other questions you want me to answer, I mean, ask them down below. I can answer them in like a next Plan With Me or something like that. I know I do have some questions I need to answer in my organization video that will go up eventually, but if you guys have more stuff you want to know about me, just ask them down below. So one thing I do want to talk about is me getting into this planner community, like how it all started. I've always been the type of person that loves to plan. I remember in 7th grade, at the beginning of the class on Monday, for every class, they would set aside like 10-15 minutes to write down the schedule for the whole week, and it would happen every single Monday. And so that's when I got really into like planning. And then ever since then, I've just used my own planner, and then the one that the school would provide. I think my first like planner that I ever had, I actually got from Glitzy Glam, which is Blair Fowler and I think Elle Fowler. They used to have like their own shop, and I think it's still around. But I bought a Lily Pulitzer planner off of them. I think I did it for like 2 years in a row, and I used that a lot. And then after that, I did purchase my first EC, and I've just been using it ever since. I know there's a lot of like controversy and just a lot of things going on with Erin Condren at the moment, which I am agreeing with like a lot of the people in the planner community. Like, I'm not planning on ever, well, I don't want to say ever, but at this very moment, I'm not supporting Erin Condren. I won't be purchasing a new planner from her this following year, but like a lot of other people who have already purchased planners from her and have been using them, I will continue to use my planner for the remainder of the year, but I will not buy one for the next year, 2021. So that's where I stand on that. But yeah, so that's like kind of how I started planning. My first time getting into like stickers, my first planner girl I ever watched was Planning Pete. I don't know, I came across it one time. It was summer 2017, and I was like super interested in it. And I'm like, you know what, I already have an Erin Condren planner, like maybe I can do it. But I had an hourly planner at the time, so I couldn't really do it because the stickers didn't really fit. But I made it work. I bought my first sticker like sheets September 2017, and ever since then I've just been like buying stickers nonstop. I didn't officially like start really like doing plan with me's, or not even plan with me's, just like putting out my spreads until the first week of 2018 because I didn't have like the proper planner, and so that's when I first started, and then I've just been doing it ever since. So it's really exciting, and I'm so happy to be in this community with such positive girls, and there's guys too in the community too. It's just like amazing. So I'm really happy to be a part of it, and without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the giveaway. Okay, so for this giveaway, I have 4 different shops that have offered to give some store credit to you guys because they're just amazing, and they're all 4 of my favorite shops, and it's just, I'm so excited for some of these shops. I'm like, they know who I am, and it's like, I talk to them occasionally on Instagram and stuff, but it's just so weird to think that like they watch my videos because I'm like obsessed with them and they watch me. It's just like, it's weird for me. But the first shop, she's actually from Arizona too, which is really cool, is Jo from icecreamjo. I love her scripts so much. She is a new shop. She's on Etsy. So she is offering you guys a $10 credit if you win this giveaway. The next shop is another one of my favorite script shops. So icecreamjo offers a lot of scripts. Same with this shop, and she does a lot of foil and her kits. She's been coming out with kits recently that are gorgeous. I haven't used one yet because I don't want to use it because I want to like just hoard it. But Letters to Apollo has offered to give you guys $15 shop credit to her shop, which is amazing. I was just like so happy when she said that she would provide this for you guys. And so if you don't win, you need to make sure you check her shop, and all the other shops that I'm mentioning down below, or all the other shops that I'm mentioning, I will list them down below so you guys can check out their shops anyway. And they are shops that I use a lot in my plan with me's, so make sure to check them out. Next shop is my favorite shop to get custom scripts from. It is Kinzi's Creations. She has her own website, and she's offering you guys a $25 credit to her shop. And then the last shop, which is my favorite shop, and this one is actually a shop I am like purchasing for you guys. I know she has like a lot of stuff going on, but I just really wanted to include this shop because it's the sticker shop I use almost all my kits from. So Scribble Prints Co, SPC, you guys are going to get a $30 credit to shop, and I think that's a reasonable amount because most of her kits are around $30. I think it's like $27 and plus shipping, so it should cover a whole kit. But yeah, so those are the 4 shops that you will be winning this credit. I know a lot of like when you do giveaways, they kind of just like give you stuff that they like put together, but I would love to do that. I just don't have the time to do that. Just work is so crazy. And I just think this would be a little bit easier, and who doesn't love shop credit to like these amazing shops? So I think that is a great kind of prize for you guys to win. Okay, so the rules on how to enter this giveaway. First thing is you need to make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and then you are also following me on Instagram. I will have it linked down below, and it's also Erica Marie Plans. And then make sure you like this video and you comment down below your favorite or your ideal summer vacation. I know right now we can't really do summer vacations, but if the world was in a different situation, what would be your ideal summer vacation? I just want to know because I really want to go on a summer vacation, and I want to know what you guys would do for your ideal summer vacation. So that's all you have to do. I will be posting something on Instagram too to remind you guys to make sure you're entering in all the right places. But that is pretty much it. Thank you guys again so much for 1,000 subscribers. And I'm really excited to be in this community with you guys. And just, yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.